everybody. Thanks for joining me today. We are going to go over a dance today, and I'm going to give you a tutorial, teach you how to do it. Hopefully you can take that information, get the dance down pack, and go show your friends. Okay, so today we are gonna do the, some people call it the backpack kid dance. He's very popular in doing that, and then other people call it flossing, I think. Okay, whichever you prefer. That's what the dance we're gonna go over today. I was gonna mention too that I had a lot of people contact me on my Instagram asking how to do this dance. So this is the tutorial for it. I'm gonna give you some basic tips, basic steps, and hopefully just get you on your way to doing this dance. All right. There's a couple different things here. There's two different movements in this dance. Okay. One, you use the hips. It's a back and forward motion. The other one, we're gonna use our arms. That's a little bit more difficult. I will go in depth with those and we'll go over them, okay? So we're gonna start with first, with your feet placement. Okay, one thing I do is, basically shoulder width is what I like to have. If you wanna go a little bit wider, you can, maybe more of a squat stance, a little bit more narrow, whatever's comfortable for you. You get your stance down, okay? The next thing we're gonna go over is the hips. So that's the first movement we wanna get down. Basically, what the hips is it's just back and forward motion, okay? We're not gonna use our arms at this point. I'm gonna show you the hips, just back and forward. That one's pretty simple. If you need to pause the video, pause it right now. Take a couple minutes, get this motion down, because it is very important to the dance as well. Okay. The next movement I want to go over is the arms. So some people, they like to keep their arms flat, straight, whatever. I like to keep mine in fists, whatever you prefer, whatever helps you with the dance more. This does just help me concentrate more. So what we're gonna do is once you get that motion down with the hips, the next one we're gonna go over is the arms. So with the arms, you are gonna start out to the side here. Okay, with this, it's a little bit more difficult, so just pay attention. So what the first movement is, you're gonna start with your arms to the side. We're gonna go in your body in between the arms. So one arm back, one arm in front, okay? We're gonna come back out, both arms in front. Come back, one arm in front, come out, both arms in front. So you just wanna get this motion down without the hips. You may want to pause and really concentrate on this one. It is a little bit more difficult, okay? But just get that motion down. Just remember one arm back, out in front, back, out in front, back, out in front, okay? So pause the video, get that motion down, okay? Okay, so now we're gonna take those two movements and we're gonna put it all together in one dance, okay? So the hips, right? We got that down. The arms, right? We got that done as well, okay? So where you wanna start is everything's always gonna be opposite. So we're gonna start with the hips to one side, the arms to the other. So just like before, one arm in back, both in front, one arm in back. So keep that in your head whenever you're doing this dance. So we're gonna start opposite, and then we're gonna swing both opposite. So your hips are gonna go one way, your arms are gonna go the other. Then we're gonna come back to our original position, arms in front, hips other way, and then the same thing. One arm back, one arm in front. Hips, arms, hips, arms, hips, arms, okay? So you just wanna go opposite. So once you have those two motions down and you can put it all together like this, then you'll have the dance. All right, so I really hope that this tutorial does help you guys. I know in the beginning this dance was pretty difficult for me to master. I practiced it a few times, and sometimes you do have to have some rhythm to get things down like that. It is a little difficult. I know I've tried to teach people before, never gotten this in depth with them to help them with that, but so I hope this helps. I hope that you can take this information, you can show your friends and family, and you can, at dance parties, you will be the center of attention, with just your dance here. once you do have the dance down, you can, start off slow. You can go to the rhythm of whatever song you're listening to, or you can go fast. I really, really hope this helped you guys, okay? Stay tuned. I know there's other dances that people are wanting to learn, and we may start doing tutorials for those as well. So comment below, let me know if this helped you. We really want to know feedback. We want to see if you were able to finally get this dance, if it's something that you have struggled with and you've wanted to master, you've wanted to learn, and this tutorial hopefully really helped you guys out. So thanks for watching.